Children, in today's class, we shall start with question number 6 of exercise 12.3. The topic is algebraic expression. The first part of the question is x plus 7 plus 4 within bracket x minus 5. First I read the question. The question is simplify the expression and find the value if x is equal to 2. So this expression is given. We have to simplify this expression, and after simplifying the expression we have to put the value of x as 2. So first we solve this. What do we get? X plus 7 plus, now see here, this one 4 is multiplied by x and 4 is multiplied by 5 when we open the bracket. So what it becomes? 4 into x is 4x. Now this minus sign, then 4 into 5 is 20. Alright, now we collect the like terms. See, these both are like terms having x as variable, and these both are like terms, these are constants. Now what do we write? We write this as x plus 4x plus 7 minus 20. Okay? Now no numerical coefficient is here, so we put here 1. So we have this x, we write as it is, and 1 plus 4 is 5. Then see here, plus 7 minus 20, opposite signs we subtract. When we subtract we get 13, bigger number 20, sign is minus, so we get what? 5x minus 13. Okay, now we have to put the value for x. This is the simplified form of the expression, because question was simplify the expression. So we have simplified the expression here. Now we will put, now put x is equal to 2. We get, what do we get? 5 into 2 minus 13. x की जगह पे 2 लिखा. So this is equal to what? 5 into 2 is 10. 10 minus 13. Now see here, this is plus, this is minus. Opposite signs, what do? We subtract. When we subtract we get 3. Bigger number 13, sign is minus. So answer is minus 3. Alright. Now we come to the second part of the question. Second part of the question is 3 within bracket x plus 2 plus 5x minus 7. Okay? Now we open this bracket. This 3 is multiplied by x and this 3 is multiplied by 2 also. So what do we get? We get 3 into x is 3x. Now this plus sign, and 3 into 2 is 6. Alright. Now we write here 5x minus 7 plus 5x minus 7. Now see here, these are like terms having x as variable. These are like terms, they are constants. So we write 3x plus 5x plus 6 minus 7. 3x plus 5x is 8x. Then plus 6 minus 7 is minus 1. Alright, so this is the simplified form of this expression. Okay, now what we will do? We will now put x is equal to 2. We get, what do we get? You see, 8 into 2 minus 1. What is 8 into 2? 8 into 2 is 16. 16 minus 1 is what? This is equal to 15. So this is the answer. Is this clear? Now coming to the third part of the question. Third part of the question. This is 6x plus 5 within bracket x minus 2. Alright. So now we will open this bracket. So what do we get here? 6x plus, now see, this 5 is multiplied by x and this 5 is multiplied by 2. So what do we get here? 5 into x is 5x, this minus sign, and 5 into 2 is 10. Alright. Now 6x plus 5x is what? It is 11x. क्योंकि वेरिएबल सेम है तो ये आ गया, and 6 plus 5 is 11 minus 10. Okay. Now put x is equal to 2. We get. Now you put x is equal to 2. What do we get? 11 into 2 minus 10. यहाँ पे x की जगह 2 आ जाएगा. So 11 minus 2 is what? This is 22 minus 10. 22 minus 10 is what? 12. So this is the answer. Is this clear? Now coming to the fourth part of the question. It is 4 within bracket 2x minus 1 plus 3x plus 11. Alright. Now we will open this bracket. 4 will be multiplied by 2x and 4 will be multiplied by 1. So what do we get? 4 into 2x is 8x. Then now this minus sign. Then 4 into 1 is 4. Plus 3x plus 11. Right? Now these two are like terms and these two are like terms. ये दोनों like terms क्यों हैं? क्योंकि दोनों के variable same है. ये दोनों like terms क्यों हैं? क्योंकि ये दोनों constants हैं. So we write this as 8x plus 3x minus 4 plus 11. Now see x we write as it is. 8 and 3 is 11. Now see these are opposite signs, so we will subtract. When you subtract you get 7. 11 minus 4 is 7. Bigger number 11, sign is plus. So answer is 11x plus 7. Now put x is equal to 2. We get 11 into 2 plus 7. 11 2s are 22 plus 7 is 29. So this is the answer. Is this clear? So with this I wind up my class today. In the next class I shall take up the next question.